For the next 1 minute and 47 seconds, we're going to do a live off-road demo. We're going down the road, we're going off the road, we're going over gravel, we're traveling through bumps. So JOYROOM sent me this to do a product review on, and this thing is bad to the bone. I'm telling you, this is pretty sweet. When I get back, I'm going to take everything off of it and do a review, and I'm going to post it. Look at the clarity and how stable this is. I'm telling you, I am so surprised. And it's not even intended for this. But all you have to do is turn it around and put your phone in it backwards. I used my iPhone, clipped it in. Pretty bumpy. Back onto the road. Yeah, good girl. Come on. Woo! Dog exercise. Please enjoy. I tried to make it entertaining. Let's do some more off-road. How bumpy is it? And then when we get back, we are going to discuss the pieces that put this engineering marvel together. And now let's discuss the pieces that put this together. Here we go. Hope you enjoy. Like it says, I fix stuff and I know things. This is a great phone holder for bicycles, e-bikes, motorcycles, you name it. They really solve an awful lot of problems with this. This is exactly how it comes out of the box, just like that and like this. I'm going to show you how it goes together real quickly. Tighten that down. Obviously this is a clamp. Clamps down easily. Now, before I hook this on, what do I like about this? Right, let me get this visor out of the way. It's got a set screw on it. Okay, and then you can lock it up. You can see in here these ridged silicone shock absorbers. That is to securely hold it, give you a little bit of vibration dampening when you're going over bumps or gravel or whatever. Protects the phone. It's got a nice cross-link foam on the back here, so you're not gonna scratch anything. Spring-loaded. When you pull down on the bottom, the top goes up. I have an iPhone 16 and it's probably an inch greater opening than my 16. Let's talk about this visor. It's got a set screw. Tighten it down as much as you want to prevent the wobbling. It's got this little release. You can see how this works. The tighter you tighten this nut, the more stability it's going to have. So if it's bouncing around when you're driving down the road, just give it another oomph. I'm putting this on my e-bike, and let's do that real quick. Try not to get stung by this wasp. This is a heat shield, as well as it cuts the glare off of your phone screen. So it's going to keep your phone from getting hot where it cuts off. To get the orientation that I started the video off with, you just flip it around and you face the camera forward. That's it. You're going to get, you're not going to overheat your phone. It's a plus for that. It looks really sleek. Whoever designed this put a lot of thought into solving problems. It will securely hold a very large phone, no matter how thick your case is. It will hold 3/4 of an inch thick phone case from front to back. I want to point out, you can see the glare right here. I got the sun shooting right over the camera and it's hitting right there. You can see that in the background. You just pop it in, push it down, I'm gonna tighten that up just a little more. Looks like a motorcycle helmet. You can still see through it. You are picking up some glare over here, obviously. I also want to point out this cam lock. This is unlocked, and you can open this. When you flip this cam lock, it's going to even that much more cut down on any type of shimmying and shaking on this. For that matter, you could squeeze it a little bit and then lock it, secure it in place even more. I wonder if I could pick this up by the phone. Well, let's try it. Okay, my fingers are only on the phone. I just cranked it down a couple more turns. They thought about so many things with this great vibration suspension, the glare shield, as well as heat shield, the ability to loosen, tighten, set it, lock it, your favorite positions that you want to use. It's rocking and rolling. I mean, it is in there. I know I love it. You're going to love it too.